When sending a patient claim from Genie, Genie will check each required field on the claim to ensure these meet the correct format required to be accepted and processed by Medicare successfully. If Genie identifies one or more of the required fields contains information that is incorrect, you'll be presented with a 4-digit error code. The most common error you will see is the error 9202. There are many different causes of this error. The details shown within the error message should indicate what has caused this error to appear. The wording can sometimes be a little tricky to decipher, as it must display the exact error description sent back from Medicare. However, you should hopefully be able to get a sense of what might be wrong with the claim from the description. In this example, the error description is advising that the time set for the medical event time, which is Medicare language for the time of service, must not be in the future. If we look at the current time for the computer, compared to the medical event time shown in the error, we can see I've tried to send a patient claim for an invoice I've created for today, but for a time in the future, which Medicare does not allow. Typically, the 9202 error will appear either due to an issue with the date or time, such as our current example of the service time being in the future, an issue with one of the fields not being in the correct format, such as one of the item numbers in the claim including alphabetical characters, as Medicare claims can only be sent for items on the Medicare benefits schedule. Medicare only allow for numeric values to be entered in the item number field. Or data not having been entered in a required field, such as no provider number having been included in the site of service selected on the invoice. In this case, the error description will display all zeros for the field missing the data. If you do receive a 9202 error when sending a patient claim, and you can't work out why this has appeared or how to solve the issue, there are a number of specific pages covering the most common instances of the 9202 error, why these occur, and how to resolve these on our knowledge base. In most cases, you'll still be able to send the patient claim once the issue identified in the error description has been corrected. If we consider the example we looked at earlier, if we had seen the patient earlier than expected, and I'd simply forgotten to adjust the service time at the time of creating the invoice, I could simply cancel the patient claim, adjust the service time via the patient's account history, and then resend the patient claim from Genie.